Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Have you ever wondered how companies like LinkedIn, Amazon, and Netflix manage billions of connections between people, products, and content without slowing down? Or why Neo4j is one of the most popular graph databases used in modern AI applications? Today, we are going to understand what Neo4j is, how it works, and why it has become such an important technology in artificial intelligence. Before we dive into Neo4j, let us first understand why it matters. Modern applications are built on relationships. People connect with people. Customers buy products. Movies belong to genres. Products are shipped through warehouses. Traditional databases can store all this information, but finding relationships often requires multiple joins, which become slower as the data grows. Neo4j was built to solve exactly this problem. So, what is Neo4j? Neo4j is one of the world's most popular graph database management systems. Instead of storing data in tables, Neo4j stores data as nodes, relationships, and properties. This makes it much easier to work with highly connected data. Now, you might be wondering how Neo4j actually works. Imagine a social media platform. Suppose Rahul follows Priya. Priya follows Ankit. Ankit likes a post in Neo4j. Rahul, Priya, Ankit, and a post are stored as nodes. The connections such as follows and likes are stored as relationships. Each node and relationship can also store additional information called properties. For example, Rahul's node may store his name, age, and city. A follows relationship may store the date when Rahul started following Priya. Now, here is where things become interesting. Unlike relational databases, Neo4j stores these relationships directly. So, when you ask a question like, who are Rahul's friends? Neo4j simply follows the relationship from Rahul to the connected nodes. It does not need to search through multiple tables. This direct traversal is what makes Neo4j extremely fast for connected data. Let us understand this with a simple analogy. Imagine you are standing in a city. Every house is connected by roads. If someone asks you to visit your neighbor's house, you simply follow the road. You do not need to search every house in the city. Neo4j works in the same way. It follows relationships directly from one node to another. That is why it performs so well for recommendation systems, fraud detection, social networks, and route optimization. Now, let us look at a simple example. Suppose an online shopping website wants to recommend products. Rahul purchased a laptop. Many other customers who purchased the same laptop also bought a wireless mouse. Neo4j can quickly follow these purchasing relationships and recommend the mouse to Rahul. Instead of analyzing isolated records, it explores the entire network of connected data. Now, let us see how Neo4j fits into AI. Artificial intelligence needs connected knowledge to make better decisions. Neo4j helps organize that knowledge in a way that AI systems can easily understand. In machine learning, Neo4j helps uncover hidden relationships that improve recommendation systems and fraud detection models. In deep learning, graph-based data stored in Neo4j can be used with graph neural networks to learn complex patterns. In generative AI and large language models, Neo4j can act as a knowledge source. Before an AI model answers a question, it can retrieve accurate and connected information from Neo4j. This helps reduce incorrect answers and improves response quality. Now, before we wrap up this video, let us go through some interview questions that are frequently asked. Here is question number 1. What is Neo4j? The answer is Neo4j is a graph database management system that stores data as nodes, relationships, and properties. Here is question number 2. Why is Neo4j faster for connected data? The answer is because it stores relationships directly, allowing it to traverse connections without expensive table joins. Here is question number 3. What are the main components of Neo4j? The answer is nodes, relationships, labels, and properties. Here is question number 4. Where is Neo4j commonly used? The answer is recommendation systems, fraud detection, social networks, knowledge graphs, cybersecurity, and route optimization. Here is question number 5. How is Neo4j useful in AI? The answer is it helps AI systems understand relationships between entities, making predictions and recommendations more accurate. Before we finish this video, let us quickly go over everything we learned today. We learned that Neo4j is a graph database designed to store and query connected data efficiently. We also saw how it stores nodes, relationships, and properties, and why following relationships directly makes it much faster than traditional databases for graph-based queries. Now, you might be wondering where you will actually use this knowledge in your career. Neo4j is widely used by AI engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, and generative AI engineers to build intelligent applications powered by connected data. It is also a common interview topic for AI and data engineering roles. So, the next time you see a product recommendation, a friend suggestion, or the fastest route on a map, remember that Neo4j could be helping power those intelligent experiences behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching.